Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to episode 91 of Optimization by Oliver. In this series, I basically find an established e-com brand online and I show you what I would do if I was in charge of running conversion rate optimization, A/B testing, experimentation for the brand. I'm just basically giving you ideas and hypotheses of what I would be doing if I work with them. Now, for full context, that's what I do. That's what my team of 60 plus staff do day in, day out for over 70 e-com brands every single day. We're running A/B tests, experimentation, but really importantly, we always conduct a full CRO audit. So we do a comprehensive CRO audit to understand the brand. We do qualitative and quantitative research, and we don't just guess or trust our gut on what works. We back it up with the data. So these are more so guesses. These are more looking from a heuristic UX UI perspective, but this is what I would do first and foremost for Madison Reed brand. So on the homepage, I think they can do a better job here of showcasing the sale. I would just be adding this below the navigation. I would also just be putting that notice bar on one line. It's not needed to span onto two lines. Making sure you underline that link, which then links off to a collection page. I think they should be using a traditional product page here with a nice image carousel showing before and afters of the hair color before and after. Really nice thumbnails that showcase there's more images in that carousel to help sell the product. Always utilizing social proof. We then back the notice bar up with a same label for continuities between the sale and the pricing matrix. Then we have the clear product name, as they do, but it's not the correct layout here. We have benefit-driven bullet points that help sell the product. We have the product select, a really important call to action above the fold with a directional cue, and we back it up with our payment terms to let people know that they can pay over a certain amount of time. Inside the bag or shopping cart, whatever you want to call it, it's clear that Madison Reed obviously deliver to people in person, but they also have stores where you can pick things up. But I think this is a bit of a unintuitive way of doing things. I think if you don't have that product available to pick up in store, well, don't show this section. It's quite easy to do and not show this section in the cart, so you can remove any friction and any kind of confusion within this cart of saying, okay, well, I can search by my zip code, but it's not available in store. Just get rid of it. Okay, we now have a better layout. We also have an in-cart upsell. We have a stickied call to action at the bottom, a clear pricing metric, and it's just a nice way of laying out the cart better than what they had before. Moving on to the home page, again, we've accentuated that cell. Notice we've also minimized the notice bar at the top to be on one line to save space. We have a similar sort of layout above the fold, but we've optimized the fonts. We've made the CTA text bigger and bolder with a directional cue. We've added some social proof, and then we've just included several things that help people see the value perception, visualize what types of products that they sell, whether it's clicking on these influencer-esque type images or the color hair swatches, so they can really quickly get to where they want if they do know what they want. And I think this will just further enhance the experience on site. Let me know what you think of these changes. As I said, these are hypotheses based on UX UI walkthroughs. If you want to work with my team, hit us up at ConversionWise.com, and I'll see you in the very next breakdown.